I'm here to talk about my mom's delicious zhong. Zhong is what you have in once a year in the holiday of May the 5th to be exact. It's not the Cinco de Mayo, but it's the lunar calendar in May. So you have zhong during the what's that? The Dragon Boat Festival. And zhong comes in many different sizes and shapes with different flavors, but they're all made with sticky rice. Sticky rice, very tasty. So if you Google it, you can see all kinds of different sizes and shapes. So, but the one that my mom makes, it's a tradition from Canton, Taishan to be exact, where the area of near the coast of the southern China. And that's how they make the tradition zhongs over there. So let's see how my mom's zhong is made. Good morning. There's the season for the zhong again, the Chinese zhong. That's in the May on the lunar calendar, and it's my mom's super ingredient. Now, these are all the ingredients that my moms are using. So we're gonna start with looking at the rice. Actually, the starting point would be the leaves. Because you have to wash these. You have to boil these and then wash every single one of them. Otherwise, if you don't, it's gonna be dirty. It's gonna stick on the rice. That's gonna when you come out, it's gonna look very very yellowish. So now these are the rice. This is 15 pounds my moms are making today. These are all sticky rice, and she had two different flavors. One, she added peanuts on this one, and the other one she added like green beans on the other one. So it's going to be two different flavors. You're going to start with the rice. You're going to do some treatments. Of course, you're going to start washing the rice first, and then after that, you're going to add a little salt. 加啲鹽啊，係咪加啲鹽啊？
加鹽咯，
加啲鹽，
加啲雞地落去咯。
加啲鹽，加少少雞精chicken powder， no MSGs. And we'll look at her ingredients that she has for that. Let's start with this side. So as you can see, you got lapchang, the Chinese sausage. You got the chestnuts, very tasty. Dry shrimps right there. And these are the dried scallop, the you chu. You don't need a whole lot. The small one adding flavor. And on this side of the corner, we have the meats. I got treated. 呢啲有乜嘢喺度？哦，啲紅欖啊 I don't know what that is. It's some kind of leaves. And then the dry egg. The salty egg yolk. That's the most tasty part of the zhong is the salty egg yolk. Yeah. So my mom said you mix it with this. It's actually a kind of leaves. I was trying to see if I can find out what it is. And she said the flavor tastes a whole lot better.香啲啊. So this is how she wrapped it up. It's actually an art. This is going to be lost touch. 係一盤藝術啊！You see how she does it so well. My mom makes this is probably the best you can get. Super good. Okay, let's see this again. So you put the leaves together, you fold a corner, you add a little bit of sticky rice to there, and then you just add your ingredients. Dry scallop. More rice on top, more sticky rice on top. And then you put a one or two leaves on top, and then just wrap it together. It's truly an art. 一盤藝術啊. It's not easy. That's 2 baskets here, and look at that pot. Huge. 2 of them running at the same time. So all these gonna be boiled for 4 hours. Got a huge family and still not done yet. And the finished product, steamy hot. Ooh, look at this final product. Look at how beautiful this is. So it looks like this one is with the green beans. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. And that's how you make the zong. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you find it useful and learn how to make some great zongzi. Ingredients are really what you desire. It does not have to be exactly as shown in this video. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe. I will try to make some video like this from time to time. Hope you have a safe festival. Thank you.